my rock band foot pedal broke. It started out as like a little crack on the side, and I was like, oh, that's nothing, but it kept snaking on my sock, and it'd take me off from time to time. And then it broke in about halfway, like right there. And I was playing Gimme Shelter by the Rolling Stones, and well, I felt it kind of roll a little bit, like on the top, like that. It's like step, step, step. And I looked down, I was like, that's really weird. And then, well, just went, and I was like, well, crap. So I googled a number for Microsoft, and I ended up calling someone in India. So yeah, and well, I picked up my Rock Band book. Comes with your game. Rock Band. And well, I found this number in the back. It's kind of small, so it was hard to see. Found this number. 1-650-628-1001. Call that number, you'll go through a bunch of voice messages on your phone. And it'll be like, if you're calling about Rock Band, please press 1. So you'll press 1. And it'll say a bunch of other stuff. It'll be like, what are you having problems with? If you're having problems with the guitar, press 1. If you're having problems with the drum set, press 2. You press 2. But after you go through all that, you have to wait for a while for the Microsoft people to pick up. But there's really kill music in between. And so, it might take a while. It depends on when you call, if they're busy or not. Just be like, my foot pedal broke, or anything else for that matter. My foot pedal broke, and I need a new one. And just give them all your shipping information. Tell them you're 13 because they won't let you do it if you're 12. I had to call twice because of that. Ice cream man. Oh. Anyway, yeah, just tell them, and then after you give them all your shipping information and stuff, after you give them all your shipping information and stuff, they'll say, alright, there's 2 ways to do this. One of them requires a credit card, and just be like, oh, well, what's the other way? And they'll say, well, what they'll do is they'll ship you an empty box. You put your broken one in there. Put your broken one in there and ship it back to them. They shouldn't send you a new one. Just send you a brand new one. So, don't Google the numbers. You'll end up calling someone in India. You don't want that. So just call that number. It's upside down. Call that number. 1-650-628-1001. And they should fix you up. So that's how to repair your Rock Band